YouTube, it's Suren from Project. Today we'll be replacing screen on Oppo A5 2020 or A9 2020. I got a phone with a cracked LCD, which is a 9 2020. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the SIM tray out first. And start removing the back plastic cover. I don't use heat in this case because it could change the shape of the back cover as it's made out from plastic. Replaced earlier. As you can see, there are a lot of blue marks, and make sure when you're taking the back screen off, be really careful of this Touch ID. Always open in this direction, like a book, otherwise it could damage this flex cable. So I'm gonna start removing. Can't stay here, so after confirming all the screws out, you can start removing the frame. So you can start from any corner. You can use a guitar pick for this, but I like to use my fingernails. First things first, remove the battery connector. In order to replace the screen, you need to pull out this battery. So this is a small tiny green tab, which makes it a little bit easier to pull the battery out. So hold the phone tightly and start pulling the battery slowly. Once you start pulling out, you will start hearing this crackling noise. replacement screen here. Comes with the LCD. As you can see, this is your display connector. You can go ahead and take that off. Now, starting from any corner, you can slowly start to pull that screen out. It's not glued in really properly, so it's kind of easy to get that off. At this stage, you can test the functionality of the screen if you're willing to, but I did test the screen already, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do it. So if you want to test the screen, you can put your battery back, pull the ribbon cable out, connect it, and you can sort of try to turn on from this side. So as I tested the screen already, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this frame a bit, put my sealant on, and place the new LCD on it. I like to use a bit of alcohol to clean this previous glue. Please make sure there's no any remaining glass pieces anywhere around the frame. Otherwise, when you put the new screen on and try to compress it using clamps, that could damage your new LCD screen. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start re-gluing. For this job, I'm using B7000 glue. So I'm going to place the new LCD now, just like this. Sits in the corner. Just like that. Then your back frame. Work around the frame and start tidying it up, and make sure your frame is in fully. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this glue around the frame, the previous glue. It's not being charged. I'm going to plug it to the charger just to make sure. There we go. It comes up. my screws back in. You remember there was one screw missing from the very beginning, so I'm going to replace that screw as well. Trying to get rid of big chunks. Right. We came to the last part. Just put in the back. Put the glue already. Slowly. I don't have the password to check any more further. Okay, once I done the gluing, I would like to clamp it till all this glue gets dry. So my method is putting the whole phone in a bubble wrap and using these small clamps, which you can get from eBay or Amazon. They're like $15 for 4 pieces, so that goes in and you can tie it as the way you want. Do not over tight, that could damage your screen. So once you feel everything's gonna seal it nicely, that's where you want your clamps to be. Probably it would take a good hour to get it dried and seated, so it's all good to use after that. Seems everything's working alright. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below, and please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for latest videos, and we'll see you from next video. Thanks for watching.